Hello everyone, I am Almas Ahmed Tanvir, a third year student of Software Engineering Department at Daffodil International University. From my childhood, I have loved technology. I always curious about how machine works and how we can make them smarter. That curiosity inspired me to become who I am today, a learner, a builder, and a dreamer. I believe learning is not just about books, it's about creating something real. That's why I spend my time making projects that solve real life problems. Some of my work include firefighting rescue robot, a bomb disposal robot, and a currency detection device for blind people. Each project taught me something new and made me more passionate about the innovation. Right now, I'm working on my startup called Elita Tech. I want to turn this idea into a real product that can help people and support our environment. I've learned different programming language like Python, C++, Java, and Dart. I also work with robotics, artificial intelligence, and IoT. I'm currently exploring technologies like ROS, OpenCV, and Flutter. To develop my skill in both software and hardware projects, along with that, I am an active member of DIU Data Science Club, where I help organize robotics and AI seminars and technical events. But more than that, I am loving thinking like an entrepreneur. As the general member of the DIU Robotics Club, I have learned how to lead or how to manage people and events. My team won the NASA Space Up Challenge 2024 as national champion and global nominee. That moment made me believe that with teamwork and dedication, anything is possible. I am also work with the Bangladesh AI Olympiad Academic team, where I organize AI-based events and promote innovation among students. Beyond technology, I am also a cultural person. I love music, I love singing, and I love acting. I have performed in various cultural events, both inside and outside of my university. These experiments help me stay confident, expressive, and creative. I see myself just as a software student engineer, but as a future entrepreneur. I want to build useful products and use technology to make people lives easier. Thank you for watching. I am Almas Ahmed Tanvir, a passionate learner, innovator, and entrepreneur.